If you're looking to create a custom quote template in Salesforce but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to create one in just a few quick steps, making the whole process easy and painless. Stick around until the end, because we've got an exclusive bonus for you that will make using Salesforce even easier. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, navigate to the app launcher in the upper left corner and search for Quote Templates. This will take you to the section where you can manage your quote templates. Next thing, click New to create a new quote template. You'll be taken to a page where you can begin designing your custom template. Here, Salesforce gives you a lot of flexibility to modify the layout, style, and information fields, so take your time to ensure that it aligns with your brand. Now, let's talk about adding fields. To customize the template to your specific needs, use the Insert Merge Field button. This allows you to pull in data from Salesforce records like customer information, product details, and pricing. You can choose from standard fields or create custom fields if needed. This is how you make your quote dynamic and tailored to each customer. The next thing to do is set up your template sections. You can divide your quote into logical parts, like header, items, summary, and terms, by using section elements. These sections will help organize your information and make your quote look more professional. After that, you'll need to work on the formatting. Customize fonts, colors, and add your logo to the header. Salesforce gives you the option to preview the template, so make sure everything looks perfect before you move on. The fifth thing you'll need to do is assign the template to specific users. In the Template Settings section, make sure you grant the right users access to this template. This is important so that the right people in your organization can use it when creating quotes for customers. Finally, save the template and test it. Generate a sample quote using your new template to make sure all the data populates correctly. This will help you spot any errors and adjust before you start using it with real clients. Before we finish, remember that Salesforce is an incredibly powerful tool, and you can start using it completely free through the link in the description below. We've also got some exclusive bonuses for you that'll help make your Salesforce experience even better. So, there you have it, a quick guide to creating your own custom quote template in Salesforce. By following these simple steps, you'll have a personalized, professional quote template ready to go in no time. Don't forget, if you want to dive deeper into Salesforce and make the most of it, check out the link in the description for your exclusive, extended free trial to this software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.